We are not in any attempt or will try by any means to disrespect the law. Neither will we, for any reason, disrespect the Prime Minister. All that we are saying is this: the fact that we vote for you, the fact that we drive even this red plate behind you in supporting your campaign, it's only fair that you quickly review this law, this piece of legislation, to have our license be suspended. We have respect for you as the Prime Minister. We put you in to lead us. We put you in to represent us. And what we are saying, that we are now staging, is for you to understand that 150 people that you will suspend your license, you're talking about 45 that might have children. The other 100 license, insurance, light bill, water rate. Take those things into consideration and say to yourself, what if I was in their position? And do not make, because of one bad, you suffer 20 good. We are now staging this demonstration. Please, Mr. Vaz, you are our transport minister. We are asking that you take into consideration what is on the table. We are also asking that you take into consideration the suffering people that are not eligible and eloquent enough to manage what is on the table. Please, at the end of the day, I'm asking, we are asking, and on the behalf of everybody that is here, we are asking, and the rest of Jamaica, please consider this. It is only fair. Your vote, our vote, is very important. And it is our vote that put you in, sir. And you will respect you enough to be our Prime Minister. Now, we are sending a message to you with respect. And what we are saying, please consider this piece of bill. And for your sake, and for the rest of Jamaica's sake, do what you have to do and set it straight. Thank you very much.